New Jersey blizzard of January 2026. It is 6:38 in the morning on Sunday. It's been snowing for about almost 2.5, 3 hours now. I am on my way to work. It's a little bad. I mean, I almost slid into a guardrail back there when I was making a left onto the highway, and I could feel my car sliding right now, but just gotta take it slow, take it easy. There's another brave soul out on the highway with me. Not many cars out here, obviously. Well, another one over in the other lane. This is Route 35 in Hazlet, New Jersey. I mean, up here it's not super bad. It looks, at least you can see the blacktop now. Ooh, it got worse out here with the road again. For a while it was clear, and now we're a little slidey again. Oh my God, so that car in front of me with the blinking flashing lights, I think that might actually be my boss. I recognize the car. That would be funny if it really was him. Oh my God, my car is more or less just like sliding, gliding through the roundabout. Alright, so scale of 1 to 10, rating that ride. I mean, a little dangerous, but as long as you're calm, you're patient, and you just drive really slow, you'll be alright. Oh my God, it is so cold. I have like no winter. Well, I do have winter hats, but I was too lazy to dig them out. My hair's up in a bun, so it's like weird to have the hat on and everything. Oh, my light's off. It's freezing. I'm wrapping up this video. Oh my God, I look like a Russian with the hat on like that. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying, like, whatever. I'm babbling. I'm frozen. My hands are going numb. Goodbye. Good luck.